So the Google Pixel 9 series is here and I have finally got my hands on the Pixel 9 and the Pixel 9 Pro XL. And let's talk AI. So the Pixel 9 is the successor to last year's Pixel 8 and the Pixel 9 Pro XL is actually the true successor to the 8 Pro from last year. We also have a Pixel 9 Pro and a Pixel 9 Pro Fold, which are new entrants in the lineup. Pixel 9 Pro is the smaller version of the 9 Pro XL and the Pixel 9 Pro Fold is the first foldable that Google has brought to India. Now, apart from the new lineup, we also have some changes. There is a brand new design with the completely flat frames. We got the new camera visor design, the brand new Google Tensor G4 chipset, bigger batteries, improved cameras, and a lot more. But the highlight here is the new AI features, and in this video, I will talk about the new AI features on the new Pixel 9 series. So lots of things to talk about, but before I dive into it, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon if you want to be notified every time we drop a new video. If you don't know me yet, I am Darab Mansoor Ali and you are watching Digit. Let's go. So AI features, there are a lot of AI features on this device. The list is so long that I might just miss out on a couple of them. Forgive me in advance. So सबसे पहले we'll start with the most popular feature. It's the Add Me features and it works just fine. Now this is built right into the Google Camera app. To use, all you need to do is click a photo of your friend or yourself, and then if you want to add somebody to the frame, just hand the phone to them and just pose, align and shoot, and you are added to a frame just like that. This works best if you are using it in proper and even light and with a little bit of depth in the background. Number 2, Pixel Studio. Now Pixel Studio is Google's take on generative AI. You can create your own avatar. Quite a fun thing to play around with. But for this feature to work, you need to download some AI models with each attempt, and this takes quite some time. Currently, we can't play around with human faces, so if you wish to turn your photo into something AI generated, that option will be available in the future. Currently, it's just a built-in generative AI model for images, and you can choose from different styles like freestyle, 3D cartoon, video game, cinematic, sketch, and the likes. Number 3 is screenshot search, and this, my friends, is probably one of the most useful feature according to me at least. So I take a lot of screenshots from my phones of random things, be it fun facts, be it recipes, be it stats of a sport or anything of that sort. But when you're looking for these screenshots, it's nothing but a pain. Thankfully, we now have a new screenshot app that allows you to search for screenshots. Quite convenient. Now, since this is not my primary phone, there aren't thousands of screenshots to scour through, but it works fairly decently. The accuracy isn't pinpoint, but you will find your screenshot sooner than just scrolling through thousands of images. In this feature, also you need to download models from Google after you download the new Screenshots app, which again takes its own sweet time. Then there is auto frame. Now this feature, Google is using AI to fix your frames with a single tap, and it works just right out of the box. No need to download any app or any models from the internet. Here the Pixel will use AI to fix the frame on a photo and use generative fills and add stuff if needed to fix your frame. The results aren't really convincing, but in a plain background, I think it will work just fine. And now another productivity tool, AI powered lists in Google Keep. So we have AI powered lists in Google Keep Notes app, but this feature is only limited to Google One premium subscription for now. Luckily, I pay Google every month, so I am a subscriber, and this feature also works quite well. Here, all you need to do is put a text prompt of what kind of list you want to make, explain a little bit of things, and it can be a to-do list, it can be a checklist, it can be a shopping list or anything. Just put your requirement, put in a couple of keywords for you to explain it better, and Google Keep will create a list based on your text prompts. And of course, you can obviously edit them according to yourself. Works quite well. I have used it. Very nice. And then we have the AI powered weather app. The new Pixel weather app also uses AI for more accurate forecasts, like when the rain is going to start and maybe when the rain is going to stop. This is powered by Google's Gemini Nano model, which also generates a custom weather report, so you don't have to scroll through a bunch of numbers to get a sense of the day's weather. It's also customizable, so you can put whatever info you want at first. अगर आपको AQI देखना है, you can put AQI first. If you want to see the humidity or the wind flow or the rains, you can put whatever you want first. But the catch here is that on my units, this feature didn't work and I could only see the normal weather app without the AI weather report. I am guessing this will be pushed in a future update. And then we have the old stuff. We have the Magic Editor, which also looks improved, by the way. This allows you to basically play Photoshop straight from Google's photo app. Expand subjects, change backgrounds, add stuff, everything is possible with the Magic Editor. And then Object Eraser. This feature doesn't need much explanation. You can remove anything unwanted from photos by just tapping or selecting the objects that you want to remove. Apart from this, we obviously have the AI features that have become quite popular recently. For example, call summary, call screener, circle to search, interpreter and the likes. So tell me in the comments which of these features do you like best और कौन सा वाला आप सबसे ज़्यादा use करेंगे. And for a full review of the new Google Pixel smartphones, don't forget to subscribe to Digit. This is Darab Mansoor Ali. I will see you guys in the next one.